Sorry, guys. So second day here with the flaxseed gel washing day. So what did I do? I put my hair in 2 ponytails and banded it with my Goody Bands, and then I missed my hair before I put in 2 ponytails with water, and then put the 2 ponytails with a little, sorry guys, lock butter, just a little bit, just, I don't know why I did it, just a little bit, out of habit I guess, but so I put that on, put the hair in 2 ponytails, and then I decided to put a plastic cap over it with my scarf. So I guess I kind of did like the pineapple method with the baggy method as well. And this is what I got for second day hair. So I wanted to come on here and just show you guys that I got second day hair with the flaxseed gel that I made the other day. So yeah, this is it. A little closer. Damn. Y'all feel that? I'm listening to Erykah Badu. So anyway, yeah, I'm a little ADD-ish because I'm trying to get out of here. I'm going to Trader Joe's and see if they have some botanical conditioners for the curly girl method. And I promise you guys, I am taking notes in the book, going back through the book, and getting some points that I wanted to get across to you guys that I didn't know about my own hair and all that stuff. So that's a whole nother video. Anyway, so yeah, curly girl method's still going. This is what it looks like. Second day hair, flaxseed gel. Let me just say this. My hair is ridiculously soft too. Like really, really soft. And when it dried yesterday out in the air and stuff like that when I was working out, it was really soft when it dried. It had a hole to it, but once I scrunched the kind of crunch, it wasn't really crunchy. But the hole out, then it was even softer. So now today is like really soft. So I'm really happy about that. I'm discovering a whole lot of things about my hair, what it feels like when it's truly moisturized, and what it feels like when it just has too much product in it, which can be deceiving. So anyway, another video, I'm sorry. I know this video is a little long, my bad, but I like to give y'all as much information as possible, and I try not to leave out too much because sometimes people leave out too much and not give enough information. So, yeah, I love you guys. See y'all. Thank you for watching and supporting everything. I'm going to the beach because it's like 100 outside. Peace.